Hello everyone. So if you want to enable always on display on your Xiaomi Watch S3, first of all, turn on your interface by tapping on the top screen. Now tap it again and swipe to the very bottom until you find your settings. Now in your settings, you are to find your display tab. Scroll down to always on display. Here it is, tap on this option, and now you can press turn off or smart. So if you turn smart, your always on display will work in a mode raise to activate. So let's press OK. Now we are to choose to tap main display. Now we are to choose the display which we're gonna be using as an always on display. So it is gonna be main display or always on display. So yes, choose always on display, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.